What's up, everyone? It's Jimmy. We've all been there. You make a big pot of chili and you're stuck with leftovers for days. But fear not, my chili-loving friends, because today we're turning that leftover chili into 6 insane recipes that will blow your mind. Get ready for some serious food transformations. We're talking chili mac and cheese, chili stuffed peppers, chili cheese fries, and more. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of these awesome recipes. All right, first up, we're taking mac and cheese to the next level with some leftover chili. It's super easy to do, and you probably already have all the ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of cooked macaroni, 1 cup of your leftover chili, half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and some chopped green onions for garnish. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, mix the mac and cheese and chili together in a baking dish. Sprinkle that cheddar cheese on top and bake for about 15 minutes or until the cheese is all melty and bubbly. Top it off with some green onions and boom! You've got yourself a flavor explosion in a dish. Next up, we're getting a little fancy with some chili stuffed peppers. These are always a crowd pleaser, and they're surprisingly simple to make. You'll need 4 large bell peppers, 1.5 cups of your leftover chili, half a cup of cooked rice, a 1/4 cup of chopped onion, and a 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's heating up, cut the peppers in half lengthwise and remove the seeds and membranes. In a bowl, mix together your leftover chili, cooked rice, and chopped onion. Fill each pepper half with this mixture and then top with shredded cheese. Place them in a baking dish and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the peppers are tender. Get ready for the ultimate comfort food chili casserole. It's time to get our hands dirty. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups of cooked pasta, 1 cup of leftover chili, half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, and some chopped green onions for garnish. Start by mixing the cooked pasta with the leftover chili. Pour the mixture into a baking dish. Sprinkle a generous amount of shredded cheddar cheese on top. Bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Once it's hot and bubbly, take it out of the oven. Add a dollop of sour cream and sprinkle with some chopped green onions, and you've got yourself a plate of pure indulgence. Chapter 5. New recipe, chili dogs. If you're looking for a fun and tasty way to use your leftover chili, these chili dogs are the perfect choice. You'll need hot dog buns, 1 cup of leftover chili, and hot dogs. You'll also need shredded cheddar cheese and some chopped onions for garnish. Start by grilling the hot dogs until they're nicely browned. Toast the hot dog buns until they're golden and crispy. Place each hot dog in a bun and spoon the leftover chili over the top. Sprinkle shredded cheddar cheese on top of each chili dog. Garnish with chopped onions for an extra crunch. If you prefer, you can place the chili dogs on a baking sheet and bake them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. These chili dogs are a fun and delicious way to enjoy your leftover chili, perfect for any casual meal or gathering. Chapter 5. Chili Nachos. Game day. Just got better. Get ready for the ultimate game day snack, chili nachos. This recipe is all about layering those flavors and textures to create a nacho masterpiece. You'll need 1 bag of tortilla chips, 1.5 cups of your leftover chili, half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a 1/4 cup of salsa, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, and some sliced jalapenos for garnish. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread a layer of tortilla chips on a baking sheet. Top with half of the chili, cheese, salsa, and jalapenos. Repeat layers and bake for about 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Top with a dollop of sour cream and get ready to dig in. Chapter 6. Chili Stuffed Baked Potatoes Comfort Food Reimagined. All right, for our final chili creation, we're making some awesome chili stuffed baked potatoes. These are hearty, flavorful, and oh so satisfying. You'll need 4 large baking potatoes, 1.5 cups of leftover chili, half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, and some chopped chives for garnish. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash and dry the potatoes, then prick them all over with a fork. Rub them with a little olive oil and bake for about an hour or until tender. Once they're cooked, let them cool slightly before slicing them open and fluffing up the insides with a fork. Fill each potato with a generous amount of leftover chili and top with shredded cheese, sour cream, and chives. Subscribe for more epic recipes. There you have it, folks. 6 insane recipes to transform your leftover chili into culinary masterpieces. From cheesy mac and cheese to flavor-packed stuffed peppers, these recipes are guaranteed to satisfy your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more awesome recipe ideas. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Until next time, happy cooking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.